Hello friends again. So now we are coming with a new topic and the topic name is padding. So there is one thing which I left in this session which is padding. What does that actually means? Let's understand all these things. So as we know this is our encoder text. This is nothing but our encoder text. Now what does the padding means actually? So when we are converting this encoded text into the bytes, what actually happened? The first 8 byte is converted into binary part and the remaining 1 2 3 4 5, this 5 is also converted it into the 8 bit, like we are adding 5 6 7 8, adding 3 extra zeros which actually we don't know. So this is actually the part of our data, but this is the padded part, and the padded part is used to make sure that we have a slots of 8 bits. Like this is 8 bits, and the next slot should be 8 bit. If there is only 1 bit, then we have to add 7 zeros around it. So this is called as a padding. So we have to do two things here. The one thing is we have to know like how much zeros we have to pad with our encoder text. This is our first part we have to do. And the second part is we have to also give the information that how much padded text or how much padded zeros is used in that text. Like in that case we are using 3 zeros. Like how we know that we are using 3 zeros here? For that we have to use the first 8 bit slot in as a padded information slot. We use it as a padded information slot. So in this padded information slot, this is the first 8 bits. In that first 8 bit, we are storing that how much padded bits we use. In that case, we are using 3. So we have to write something like 3 means this 001, which actually means 3 in case of binary. So we have to write the number of padding value, the number of padded value in the form of bits, which is also in the form of 8 bit. So in the 8 bit form we have to write that how much padded information, how much padding we use in that encoded text. So what we have to do, we have to do two things. First thing, we have to append the padding part, and we also have to append for the first 8 slot that how much padding things we are added. Okay, so this information is in the form of binary, and we come to know how we can do that. Okay, so let's get understand, and let's get move to our part. So okay, so we are there. Okay, so we are there. So I am using the Sublime text for now uh, because in the previous one we have some problem. So let's use that Sublime text. So what we have to do, we have to do a padding. So let's do padding of encoded text. So we have to create a padded, or we can say a padded text, and the padded text we have to create a function which is build build sorry build padded text, and we have to pass the encoded text here. Now let's define that function there. So we have to write build padded, we have to write build padded text. So here the p is, let's make it big, okay. And in that we have self, and we have to pass the encoded text, and let's write our function there. So what actually we have to do? So we have to understand first thing that like how much part we have to pad here. So for that we have a formula, and the formula says we have to make sure that 8 minus the length of this bit, modulus of 8, which gives us the value of padded text. Like in that case we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 8 minus 13 modulo 8, which is actually 5, and we have 8 minus 5, which is equal to the 3. So we have to write 3, we have to pad 3 values here. Okay, so similarly we have to make something padding value, and how that padding value we get 8 minus length of encoded text modulo 8, and we are getting our padding value. Now what we have to do, we have to append the number of padding value, we have to append 0, which is equal to the padding value. Padding value means how many times I am saying for I in range, and in the range of padding value what we have to do, we have to do encoded text plus equal to the, and we have to append 0. So for now we have this thing, like we have this part, this whole part we have. Now the next thing we have to do is to make the padding information, like how much amount of padding we are done. So for that we are using the concept of string formatting. First of all I am writing that, then I explain what I am writing here. So padded information is equal to the, this is a string formatting. I get, let's get understand, wait for a while. And we have to format this padding value. Okay, so what is the meaning of that thing? Let's get understand that. Okay, so now here we are understanding this part. So what I am writing here, so just let's get write this part here. I am writing 0 point, sorry, not point, column B. So what that actually means? So here this is the part of a string formatting where the meaning of first 0 tells us about the argument, like which part of argument we have to work. So 0 means the 0 part of argument after the format. So after the format we have only one argument, and we have to work on that argument only. And this 08 means we have to make 8-byte format, like I am saying that the first 8 bits. So to convert our that argument into 8-bit value we have to use 08, and B means converted into binary. B means converted into binary. So what that actually means, here in the argument we are using padding value which is 3, and I am using, with the help of 0 I am taking that argument, and with the help of 08 I am converting this 0 into 8-bit. And what we have to do in that 8-bit, we have to convert that into the binary form. So I am just converting these 3 into a binary form of 8-bit, and that's how we are doing that, and we are getting our padding information. Now what we have to do in the next step, this is our padding information and this is our padded text that I create. Now we have to append these two things and we are getting our thing. So what we have to do, we have to write like padded text equal to the, we have to do padded information plus concatenate the encoded text, and we are getting our padded text, and we have to return that padded text, and we are done, and we are getting our padded text here. Now in the next video we are converting that padded text into the binary. This is now in the form of string, now we converted it to the binary. Thank you for stay tuned in this video, and I think you like that. Okay.